Hello everyone, good morning. Big day today. Welcome you all back to my channel. Once again, this is Mahaneet here, and as you might have seen on the title, today is the day we're shipping our bikes to Gorakhpur. Our next big ride is Nepal. My first international ride, as you might have seen. First time crossing the borders on my bike. It's always been on flights, have flown across, but this is a ride out of India on the 390 this time. I'm not taking the Transalp, as it must be tough terrains, and it's a new bike still, so I'm not very much used to it. So if you're new to my channel, you know the drill. Do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Do give me a thumbs up, and do write on the comments to encourage us creators to create more content for you. That's the only encouragement we get. So today the plan is we load up the bikes onto the truck with our luggage. That's about it. And then we fly on 19th to Gorakhpur, where our bikes already will be waiting for us. So stay tuned, people, for an exciting ride to Nepal. It is. Do stay tuned for the entire series of Nepal. Some of the videos might come in a bit late. I think most of them will come after I'm back itself, but you can always follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates and live updates from the trip itself. The logs from the trip would mostly come after I'm back itself, as I want to have time to edit the logs then and there, like last time when I was touring in Zanskar. This is a very tight scheduled trip, so not much of editing work will happen. It will be live updates only on Instagram. So stay tuned, people, for an exciting Nepal. So the itinerary for the trip, well, here it is, the plan. So they are meeting at Yogi's place to load the bikes. The truck is actually coming here to Yogi's place. It started come, I think. travel, enjoy life, do what you like what you do. Keep smiling and spread the happiness. So catch the entire Nepal series coming up shortly. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. That's it from this short log of our loading. Stay tuned for the entire series of Nepal. So episode 1 would be next. Stay tuned. Sayonara, adios, goodbye. Thank you very much for watching this one.